Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check packet loss in Dota 2. Packet loss causes lag spikes, delayed actions, and spells not registering even if your ping looks fine. First, open Dota 2. Click the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, then select Game. Scroll down or look for the Miscellaneous tab. Enable Display Network Information. Once you are in a match, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see packet loss percentage for both incoming and outgoing data. Anything above 1 to 2% can already cause noticeable issues during fights. You can use the network quality settings to specify your network quality. This will improve the overall smoothness of your game. And that's how to check packet loss in Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.